Hi guys, Sandy here. Just wanted to show you guys that I am making turkey broth. And what I've done is I've taken the carcass of the turkey and split it between two pots, filled it with water, and over Thanksgiving, you have vegetables, you're peeling. So in these sacks I have, some celery, some onions, there is some potato peelings, carrot peelings in there also. And then you notice in my water, on my spoon, I've got some sage that I took out of my garden, some basil, and peppercorn and salt, and lemongrass. So there's sage. So you see the bones in there. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my jars heating up in the oven. Gonna get these canned. The jars have been sterilized. They're in the oven warming, and I'm gonna pressure can these. So first, I've got to do some straining. Okay, I have the pressure canner up to pressure now, and so far we're 10 minutes into it. So I've got another 15 minutes to go on this, and then I'll put the other 7 jars in. All right, here they are. I have 14 quarts there, and they all have sealed pretty good. So now I've just got to take the rings off, wipe the rinse, and label them. So isn't that nice looking? So I did add in some red pepper flakes after I strained it to give it a little bit more kick to it. So that's probably what's floating up there on the top there. But, yep. So this is going to make really good soup stock for me, and for a long time. Look at that. So when you go to the store and you buy them, you're looking at $2-3, for a good stock. Over $3 if you get the gluten-free, non-GMO, organic stock. So this is my version, and it's going to help out a lot around here for me. It's winter, and who doesn't love soup? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all stopping by today, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.